What's up with you? Oh. Ay, napaka-OA. Ay! So, tuturo ko kayo dito sa aking pinaghirapan na city. Di ko alam kung city to. Pero, basta. You know that. Welcome to my mini city. City ba to, guys? Not sure. So, this is my first house. Wala pa tong tatlo na ito. Malamang, kaya nga first house, di ba? Di ka lang titik. So, simple lang siya. Ayan, may plant siya. Kitchen, salas, and the bedroom. Simple lang yan, guys. Pinanood ko lang sa mga YouTube ito, kaya, ayan. This is my second house. So, yan. Ba't nakabukas to? So, let's go. So, ito yung kitchen. This is the salas. Ito, di ko alam ano to. Tagal ko na. Oh, what is this? CR. Oh, kulay blue. Favorite ko kasi color kulay blue, guys. Walang nagtatanong pero, ayun. Kulay blue talaga favorite color. So, this is my swimming pool. Mini swimming pool. At this is my master bedroom. Yan. This is my balcony. Yan. And this one is my third house. Ito, pinaghirapan ko to. So, this is the swimming pool. Big na talaga yan. Tapos, pagkapasok mo dito, ayan, may design agad. Simple lang to. Ayan, chess, computer, crafting table. Ito, di ko alam ano to. Kitchen, and bed. Yan, mabilis lang tour na to. So, next, fourth house. Simple, aliit nito. Salas, bathroom. Lahat to, guys, galing sa YouTube. This, kitchen, and dining table. This one is my bed. Ayan. And this is my computer again. Ayan, balcony lang siya. So, punta na tayo dito sa pila ka matagal kong ginawa. Pinag-iisipan ko ba kung gagawin ko to. This is the resort. Elsie's Resort. Wag kayo. Yan, ito, galing sa TikTok to, pero iniba ko yung style. This is kids pool. Ito yung saan sila magsistay, private to. This is the big pool, adult pool, and slide, syempre. Walang slide yung pang kid. Syempre, mag-slide tayo, guys. Private resort. Elsie's Private Resort. Ito sa pila ka mataas. Let it go. Uy, ang slow. Ayan. Ito, pinakamatagal ko itong ginawa. Itong adult pool. So, ito lang ang aking ginawa last year. Okay. So, yan. Ganito lang siya. And, yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.